Wait.
You mean the formula bar?
Yes. How do you
Okay.
get the comma sales report?
Okay, let me do it
Sorry,
again.
I had not been,
It's okay, let me do
I
it
had not
again.
been attention.
It's okay. All right. But then you remember how we inserted the shapes, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so these are shape. And once you click inside the shape, once the shape is active, you click the formula bar and then type equal sign. All right.
Yeah.
Once you go back to
Mm.
your sales report, it gives you that sales report because it's
Okay,
trying to
okay,
link
okay,
the two sheets.
okay, okay.
You understand?
And you can now
So once you
understand.
now pick
Yeah.
that A4
You know,
and
for
press enter,
enter.
it has linked
Okay,
the two sheets. It's clear now, right?
okay, okay. Yeah,
Then you
yes, sir.
can now make it bold. You can give it the format that you want. Let's make it bold. Let's bold it. And then increase the font size to make it readable. And then you can also put it at the center. This is good enough, right? Yeah, it's good enough. Now, because we have 1, 2, 3, 4 more figures to bring out or to link, you now duplicate this
No,
guy.
two.
Why 2? You don't want us to bring out
Some,
the count of names and sum of
some,
revenue. Because sum of revenue
some
is
of
here
them
already.
in use.
Okay, okay,
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Only two.
okay, okay. No, but it's still 3. We'll bring out this one too. Name of um name of what's it called? Name of a salesperson. Let's bring it out too. So it's 3 now, not
Okay,
just 2. Okay. Now we are going to
okay,
duplicate this guy into 3, and you use Control D.
okay,
Control D.
okay.
So now we have, okay, let's arrange it properly.
No.
Let's bring this one here, and then this one, and then this one here too. Think this is good enough. All right. So let's click on the second one. Now you go back to your report. The second figure we're bringing out is in C4, right? Is it
Yes, ma'am.
C4?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you now go back here and change this to C4 and then enter. Did you see what
Okay.
happened?
Mm.
It automatically brings the figure for you. Let's also change the font size and of course the body. Then the last one is in that's E4. So we change the name again to E4 and then enter. Then you format. This is going to be 14. You bold it and then you take it to the middle. Yeah, we're good. Okay, so let's start bringing in our visuals. Am I recording already? I hope I am. Okay, yes, I am.
Yes, you are.
Thank you. So let's start bringing in the visuals into our dashboard. The first one we are going to be bringing in is the revenue by region. So let's convert it to
Mm.
a pivot table. Yeah, this is, you can choose from here. You can pick any one of your choice. Let's use column, plus add column charts. Let's use the first one. Okay, and then you say okay. Now this is it. You can choose to format it here before carrying it over. You can also choose to carry it over and format it there. So let's carry by saying Ctrl X to copy, and then we paste it with Ctrl V in our dashboard. And you can format here. The formatting could take any form. It depends on your choice. Okay? You are at liberty, but there are necessary things you need to do to make your chart look presentable. Why don't we have anything in South-South? Why? What's going on in South-South? Okay, maybe the figure in South-South is too little. That's why it's neglected. And you know why that happened? You remember why? Marian, do you remember why?
Why?
Okay. You know, that day we worked on this data for the first time, that empty cell that had nothing, the amount was too small. We just gave it to South-South. That's why, if you can see, it's very little.
That's what
That's why it's negligible. So let's still leave it there. Let's leave it there. And then let's format. Now, to format, you click on this plus sign here to see all chart elements and then know the ones to remove. Okay? So let's click. Now, I always advise remove the grid lines. When you do, the chart becomes clear. You see all those lines that were here? It's all gone. Then you insert what I call data labels. Okay, let's remove it. Let's put it back. It puts all the figures on each of the bars, which makes your bars or your report makes a bit of sense. Okay. Then your chart title is necessary. Now, this place called legend. The only time you need legend is when you're working with a pie chart. But if you're using bar chart and line chart, you don't need the legend. So let's remove it. As you can see, as you're removing, the chart is becoming bigger to make it make more sense. Then, because the chart title is saying total, you need to rename it to make it make sense. And this particular chart is revenue by what? This revenue by region. Am I correct?
region. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
revenue by region. So let's equally format it. Let's make it bold and make it let's make it 16, and then probably change it to let's say green. Okay, this is good enough. Now you have to remove this sum of revenue because we already know that this axis is sum of revenue. So you right click on it and click on hide value field buttons on charts. It removes it. Do the same thing here. It removes it. And then you can also click on this place and delete to remove it. You see it's making a bit of sense, or it's making more sense now. Now you can also click your chart and then go change the background color. You can give it any color. What color should we give it, Marian? What color should we give it? Let's not use plenty different colors so it doesn't look like color riot. Should we make it blue? Oh no, the bars are blue already. Maybe we should. Is this one okay? Is this okay?
Mm-mm.
Okay, let's go to no.
Ash.
Okay, ash. Okay, let's use ash color. Is this good enough?
Yes.
Okay, so
Not
let's
the other one.
this one, this other one.
Mm.
Okay, all right.
No,
So
this anyone. Anyone.
yeah, that's it. I'll choose this one. Let's use
No,
this
no, no.
one. You don't like this one?
Too
Okay, well,
colorful.
okay. How about black or something like this?
The other ash. Mm.
Okay, so let's do this. Let's do this. And then I will bring it here and of course resize it a bit. And then we can keep this guy here. Okay. Now let's bring the next one. And that would be revenue by products. So pick also. Let's use this one this time around. Okay, let's use bar charts. Let's also pick this one and then say okay. Then you can carry with Control X and then bring it in here. Okay, let's format first. Let's remove grid line, like I always say. Remove legend. Insert your data labels, and then the title, you work on it. Revenue by products. You change the font style, the font color to green. Font size is 16, and then you make it bold. Then you remove this guy and equally remove this one here. And then you click and delete this one. Finally, you go change the background color. So let's stick to same background so that it will look uniform. And this is good enough. Yeah. Okay, let's go bring in the third one. The third one is revenue by customer. Okay, sorry. Let's use pie charts for revenue by customer so I will see how it feels. Now, like I said earlier, okay, let's carry Ctrl X, bring it here. Like I said earlier, for your pie chart, you don't need to remove your legend because that's what shows you a guide, okay? Let's insert the data labels
Okay.
and then you work on the title. So you can say revenue by customers. And then you change the font color, font size, then make it bold. And finally, you change the background color. Sure. Lady. Oh, I've done the wrong thing. Oh. Okay, this is what I want to change, not you. Yeah, so let's go. I think this is it. Yeah, that's it. Let's put this one
You
here.
will not be able to remove the sum of revenue.
What did you say?
You did not hide the sum of revenue.
Oh, sorry, I forgot. Thanks for reminding me. It's gone, as you can see. I think we are good now. Yeah, we are good.
Customer
Good.
call.
Okay. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
good. Is there another one? I don't think so. Oh, that's all. Just three. Okay. Okay. Just three. All right. Then for this revenue, I'm thinking, um, let's see. Uh, where is our okay, it's gone already. Okay, let's continue. Okay, so let's go back. Let's go back. Now, if we had had other visuals to bring, you keep putting it together, and depending on how many you have to bring, you may need to reduce the size so that it will accommodate and it wouldn't look too big, more like, you understand? So the next thing we're going to bring in is what we call slicers. Hello, can you hear me, Marian?
Yes, yes, sir. The
Okay.
next one is Liza.
Do you have a question so far, or I can continue?
Okay, it's recorded. I can continue.
Okay. All right. Slicers are what we use to slice through or to I'm trying to avoid that word slicer. It is what we use to kind of to view through
Please.
your dashboard. For instance, you can use it to see what happened in a particular region only. Okay. By the time I do it, you see what I'm talking about. So let's click here, and then we go to, it's not here. I think it's design. Sorry, slicer should be insert slicer. Yeah, look at it here. So you click on slicer. Now, when you click on slicer, you can decide on what you want to use as your slicer. You can use the name column, you can use the product, you can use any of them. You understand? Now let's use okay, let's use product first. Let's use product. So click on product and you click on OK. It gives you the product slicer. Now let's see how it's going to work. But before you start using it, you need to you need to connect your slicer with all things you have in this work. Let's see how to do that. You go to slicer and then you go to report connection. Once you click on it, it gives you this dialog box and then you check all the columns here. You check all of them. Don't leave anyone unchecked. So as you're done checking, you can now click on OK. So what this will do is if you click on drinking water, for instance, it will sieve all this report and give you what happened only in drinking water. So what I'm saying is, as you click this drinking water, let me scroll up. There's something we did not do. You know, these things we have, we didn't name them. This is number of items, Abi. Number of items sold. Marian is not talking again. I hope you are still in
Some,
class.
some, some.
Okay. So let me try to do something here. Okay. Some of items sold. This is this what again?
Total.
This total revenue, right?
Mm. Yes, sir.
I'm trying to name it. Total revenue. Yeah. And then this, what was this again?
The numbers of names or the count of names.
Number of salespersons.
Salesperson, sorry.
Yeah. Okay. So let's format it properly. Total revenue. Items sold. Okay, this one is a bit small. Okay. Even though it's not the same size, but let's manage it. Okay. Now, if you click on fruit juice, let's click again. So anyone you click, drinking water, for instance. Now, we're saying that once you click on any part of this slicer, it tells you what happened or what each product was able to do. So for drinking water, number of drinking water sold within these 2 years is 1,815. Revenue is 363,000. Then number of salesperson that sold that particular product is only 208%. So this slicer allows you to give a report of what each product did. That's just how it is used. Then if you come to customer, that means what it's saying is, for instance, customer market square, the total revenue we got from each purchase of water dispenser is 93,400. I don't know if you're making sense of what I'm saying.
Yes, yes, sir.
So that's how to use your slicer. Now, if you want to remove the slicing, you just go here and click. It removes it. So it goes back to your normal reports. Okay. You can insert more slicers. You can go to insert and then insert more slicers. Sure. Okay. You have to click a particular visual to be able to insert the slicer. Let's go again. Let's use we've used product. Let's use region this time, and then you say okay. Remember, you need to connect all the slicers to the entire report. Now you go to slicer and then click on report connection. Now you remember to check everybody here. Check, 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 check. And you can say, okay. You click on Northeast, it tells you what happened in Northeast entirely. You click on Southwest, it tells you what happened in Southwest and all the rest of them. So let's see South-South. This is Southwest. So that's how to use your slicer. You can insert as many slicers as possible. Should we insert more? I think it's clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's now put it properly and then finish up our work. The next thing to do is to give it a background. Okay, to give it a background, let me do this first. To give it a background, you go to your insert and pick a shape. What are those shapes? Shapes, where are you guys? Okay, yeah, shapes. You can choose any of the rectangular shapes. Let's choose this. And now draw it over the entire dashboard. No, let's not use this one. Let's use the normal. Let me even shift this guy. Mhm. Okay. Come in, come in. Can't you get on the other side? Why are you disturbing me? You can't be the other side, please. All right, so okay, insert rather, shapes, you pick, let's use this one, and then you draw it to cover the entire report. You can see it's covering it. Then let's give it a color. Uh, what am I been doing? Let's go to more colors. Okay, no. Okay, which color should we use now that make it come out well? Or before then, let's send this let's send this shape to the back. You right click at the base and then you click on, where is it now? Send to back. It's actually okay like this. Is it okay like this, or we should change the color?
This.
Hmm? Is it okay like this? Marianne, is it okay like this?
Like this.
So do you say it's okay like this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So we're going to leave it this way. Okay, so we are done with our dashboard. The next thing to do is, ideally, if you're going to present this work, you're going to copy this particular sheet or this particular dashboard and have it in a PowerPoint document. Okay? Are we together?
Yes, sir.
After which, you will now start separate. You pick each visual and put it in a particular slide in PowerPoint also. You pick this one, pick this one, put it, and then you do your presentation. As you're presenting, there will be like a recommendation, because what you're saying here means something. You're saying, for instance, that let me make this a bit big. I want to expand it so that we'll take a good look at. Okay, you're saying, okay, 10 more minutes. Okay, I'll come out now. So you're saying that South region, or let's say Northeast region, generated this revenue. All right. Remember, you are trying to answer some business questions. All right. Like this one that says, give reason why they should continue to invest in that particular region. What is your reason? Because the region is doing well, right? The profit or the revenue there is actually very high. So they can continue in that, or they can continue to invest in that region. So that should come in your slides. So what am I saying? Each slide you are putting your visual on should have its recommendation and the insight you're generating. That's all I'm trying to say. But then we are not going to do that. You will do that by the time you'll be doing your project. So with this, we have come to the end of Microsoft Excel.
Question.
Yes, please ask your question.
Please, so when you remove it for presentation,
Yes,
the slides
the slides
still
are,
be functioning.
no, it won't be functional. It won't be functional at all. You know why? Because you're going to take just a screenshot. You understand? You only use slides that
Okay.
if you're presenting it in this particular exactly the way it is
As you
here. That's where the sliders will be
okay.
functional. But once you move it to PowerPoint, it won't be functional anymore. Any other question, please?
No, sir.
Okay. So this is 7 minutes past 4, and my battery is equally going to be requiring very soon. I have
Mm,
this 26%, and I would want to finish it completely. So we're going to call it a day, and then we'll continue again on Monday. Is Monday okay by you, or
okay,
we
no
should
problem.
revert to full weekend? Full weekend is not even making sense
No,
because nobody still joined. So we revert to our normal Monday, Tuesday, and Friday.
Thursday.
Is it Thursday or Friday? Okay, Thursday, right?
Thursday.
Okay, so Monday,
Yes, sir.
Tuesday, and Thursday. So on Monday, we'll introduce Power BI. I hope you have
Okay.
downloaded Power BI and installed it on your system.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we'll do Power BI on Monday. Watch the videos. If you have questions, please you can drop them on the group chat. I will attend to them. And I'll be sending across your project questions. So you attempt it before, let's say before Thursday, you should be able to submit it. And you present it to us in class like this. Will you be able to do that? Yes, you will. Any question? No question.
This question.
Ask your question. Ask your question.
So when that presentation come, I'll ask my question.
Okay. No wahala. No wahala. No wahala. Okay, so I will stop the video and I will share them so you can watch and others can also watch. So we'll see you on
Okay.
Monday, okay?
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Have a good night's rest. There's no night yet. All right, bye.
As I will sleep now, sir.
Of course you sleep. Yeah, right.
Bye.
Yeah, right.